Now let's solve this question together. All right, so the left hand side looks very strange, okay? So the numerator is behaving like 10 raised to the power 1009. And we have the denominator as 10 raised to 1011 minus 10 raised to 1007. Now let's observe the powers here. So which one is the least among them? Okay, so 1007 is the least. Okay, so what we are going to do is to write this one as 1007, okay, times. So what we are going to do, we are going to write 1007 from this, and we'll do the same from here. So I'll write the numerator as square root of 10 raised to 2 times 10 raised to 1007. Now when we're given a raised to m times a raised to n, so the bases are equal, so I'll add the powers. A raised to m plus n. So 2 plus 1007 is 1009. Okay. Now 11. So 11, if I subtract 4, this side will be 7. So I'll get 10 raised to 4 times 10 raised to 1007. Okay. So minus. So this side will be 10 raised to 1007. Okay. Equals to 99 on 10 raised to x. All right, so let's solve for this one and then equate it to this, okay? From here, we can write this as square root of 10 squared times square root of 10 raised to 1007 on square root of 10 raised to 4 times square root of 10 raised to 1007, okay, times, okay, you have minus square root of 10 raised to 1007 equals 99 on 10 raised to x. Now from here, okay, this side will cancel, leaving 10 there. So we have 10, okay. So we have 10 times square root of 10 raised to 1007. Okay. And this side will also be, remember, this side is behaving like this. So 10 raised to the power 4. Now when we're given square root of n, the same as n to the power half. So this side will be 10 raised to 4 on 2. So we have 10 to the power 4 times half. Okay. And we have times this, okay, times square root of 10 raised to 1007 minus square root of 100 10 raised to 1007 equals to 99 on raised x. Let's confirm. Okay. Now from here, remember this side to be 10 times that 10 raised to 1007, and this side will be 2, 10 raised to the power 2, okay, times 10 raised to 1007 minus 10 raised to 1007 equals 99 on 10 raised to x. Let me write it for. Okay, now from here we can factorize the square root of 10 raised to the power 1007 out here. So we have 10 1007. So this side will be square root of 10 raised to 1007. Okay, and this side will be 10 squared. 10 squared. So minus 1. Okay, 10 squared minus 1. So equals 99 on 10 raised to x. All right. Now from here, now this one will cancel this. I will leave it. 10 on 10 squared minus 1 equals to, so 99 on 10 raised to x. Okay, so from here we have 10 on 10 squared is 100 minus 1 equals 99 on 10 raised to x. Now 10 over, so 100 minus 1 will be 10 over 99 equals 99 over 10. Okay. Now from here, when you are given a over b to the power n, okay, is the same as b over a raised to negative n. So from here, remember we have 10 over 99 equals 99 over 10. So we have to make sure we get equal bases since we have x here. So what we are going to do is to change any of this. So I have 10 over 99 equals to, so this side is same as the power 1. So we can make this side 10 over 99, 10 over 99, and the power also change negative. So we have 1 equals minus x. Okay, so x equals to minus 1. As simple as that. So the correct answer for this expression is minus 1. All right. Subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Don't forget to share, like, comment. Note. All right.